Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. Now this is a look that I found on Pinterest. I will leave a link for the look down below and I'll insert a picture of it. And I kind of want to make this a series of like Pinterest inspired looks. I'll take a palette and then look up a look. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. Today's look is using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This palette, I don't know. I love this palette, but sometimes when I look at it, I just get so uninspired, and that's kind of what led me to Pinterest to this look. So if you guys want to see how I created this bronzy halo eye using the On the Run palette, or Born to Run palette, I always call it the On the Run palette, the Born to Run palette, and then keep watching. The first shade I am going into is Baja. And I'm just putting this in the crease. Now this shade, I went really light-handed at first. And I do dip back in right now and build it up just because it is kind of bright. So yeah, next I'm going in with Baja and Riff and just popping this in the crease. This is an amazing like crease combo. Riff is honestly one of my favorite transition shades in this palette. It is just that perfect warm brown shade. Next I'm going in with Punk, and I am just placing this on the inner and outer corner, kinda more towards the middle though. Like I'm focusing really in on the corners and then I'm blending it into the crease as well. You can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm just really prepping that halo eye. So now I'm just moving to the inner corner and really like placing it in the crease and on the corner and kind of just like blending it out into the middle, but not letting them connect, if that makes sense. Next I'm taking Ignite, which is a gorgeous shade, and I am just placing this right in the middle where I didn't apply any shadow, and this is just like the halo eye. Next, I'm going back into Punk, and I am just adding a little bit more to the inner and outer corners because I feel like it kind of got lost with that Ignite shade. So next I'm taking Stranded, and I am just popping this in the inner corner. This shade I think really just pulled the whole look together. Next I'm taking this Holy Addiction J-Cat eyeliner. It's like a bronzy shade. I'm putting this along the lower lash line and in the waterline. I don't know why I did this. It was a waste of time. It doesn't show up, but I think like putting it on the lash line though, as you can see what I'm doing, kind of helped. I don't know. So now I'm finishing up the rest of my face off camera. I'm back. And for lips today, I'm using the Benefit Hoola lip gloss. I just wanted to do something boring because I really just wanted the main focus to be on the eyes, and I really like how this look came out. I think it's so pretty. So here's the finished look. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below as well. Let me know in the comments down below if you want more Pinterest inspired looks. I would gladly do that for you guys. I really like this idea. I think it'll be really fun. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.